Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how I make the position markers on the fretboard of a guitar. I just need a few things. I need a screwdriver to drill the holes in the fretboard. I need the position markers. I made them myself, little round pieces of wood. I'll tell you how I make them in another video. See, little round pieces of wood. This neck is for a bass guitar. The dots are 7 centimeters diameter. We need the fretboard, of course, something to draw the lines and to make the positions on the fretboard. Beside this piece will come an inlay, a binding, so it looks rather small, but in the end it will be a bit bigger. So what I first did was make a center line. I think you can't see it on the video, but it's there. It's next to this marker. I also made the fret slots. Maybe you can see that. Fret slot 1, 2, 3, 4 till the end of the fretboard. And I gave it a tapered edge. So this here will be the nut, and at this side, the other side will be the sound hole of the guitar. So first, what we're gonna do is locate the positions where the where the markers will come. I do it like this. I take from one edge to the other between two frets. I draw the line like this, and the center point is the center point of the fret marker, of the position marker. At the 12th fret there will be two position dots, of course. I start the same way, so I'll make a cross from one fret to the other, like that. And then I'll make a new line with a straight edge on the center line, and then I can calculate where the two so we get the two position dots in the middle of their side, of course. Now I'm gonna clamp the fretboard on the bench, so it will stay at this place when I drill the holes. I made a little marker on the drill bit, so I know when I have to stop. Best to drill carefully, better a bit less too deep than too deep, because when the hole is too deep the marker will totally fit in and you'll have a hole in your fretboard, and you don't want that. So I drilled the first hole. This piece should fit in exactly. My fret markers, position markers, I made one flat edge, the other one is not flat, but that's no problem, because afterwards when all the markers are made, we're gonna set them all together, all flat on the surface of the fretboard. What we need to look about when we glue the position markers is that the lines in the wood of the position marker and the wood of the fretboard are in the same direction. So when I'm looking carefully, this one should go in like this. So there's no glue at this moment, but this is what it will look like. I'm gonna give you a closer look. This is what it will be. This is the first hole. I'm gonna drill all the holes in the same way. Okay, all the holes are drilled, so I'm gonna put on some glue in the box using Tide Bond. And then drop the piece of wood in the hole. And press it as much as possible. Okay, that's one. Now the others. So I glued all the little position markers in place. I'll show you. Maybe a bit more light. So this is what it looks like now. At this moment we are leaving it all to dry, and we can continue when the glue totally dried and set them straight with the fretboard. Okay, the glue dried. This is what it looks like now. And you can see the dots popping out of the surface. So now I'm going to use a chisel to remove the dots, the the pieces of the dots that stick out. So this one's finished. See? Now I'll do the same thing with the rest. Okay, I leveled all the position markers. That's what it looks like. Later on we round off the top of the fretboard. When that's done, we're gonna use some sanding paper to flatten the surface even more, and after that it will be a top surface for a bass guitar. Till next time, bye.